Hello everybody, I am back at Pete's with the round nuts and helping out today on making tracks. So I'm looking forward to see what Pete's got for me to do today. So I shall find out when I go inside. It's a beautiful day. I'm here today and tomorrow helping out. So I shall be bringing you all the updates and everything that's going on with the round nuts on the final frontier. So I shall look forward to bringing you everything that's happening. I shall see you inside. So all these boards are on their side because they're being wired up at the moment. As you can see, all the wiring's being wired and soldered together.
See ya.
Yep.
You wouldn't have the arm sticking up on the platform.
Right, get you.
So that's pulling off.
Yep.
That's pushing off.
Okay.
It's an extra long range shape. It's pushing away from the upright. Pulling on, pushing off. They very rarely use push off. It's not as reliable as pulling off.
I get you.
On.
Yep.
But there are times when you have to do it, and this is where you do it. And that bracket is that bracket with an extension.
Right.
So the wire will stay vertical because I've moved the loop that supports the up.
Yep.
You can see where I've moved the loop
Yep.
to the middle there, and that'll keep this straight, vertical there.
Yep.
But basically, it's that. And that's what they did, especially on Mark 1.
Okay.
Because I can't do UK when I've not got the time.
Yeah. Yeah.
Unfortunately.
Right. Let's get on. So basically what I'm doing today is I'm painting the overhead wires, trying not to...
52 of these in 2 days.
The problem is when I'm painting these, if I accidentally touch another bit of wire, the paint comes off because it's oil paint. It doesn't dry quick. This is quite a delicate job to do because what I need to do is make sure that I don't get paint actually on the bottom of the wire, and that's why I'm using this bit of paper. I'm using a tissue to wipe the bottoms so it doesn't dry. So when the locos go along, it doesn't rip the overhead wires off. So this is quite a delicate job. Somebody's got to do it.
It's not on what they should have made the board actual board wide and have a speaker in that.
I've got a lot of wires to paint basically. All this, all the others, everywhere else. So lots to do. That's not looking too bad. Oh, missed a bit. Yeah, it's about making the wires look, because they all look all shiny and brand new. And obviously the real railway, you do have sections where it is shiny and brand new.
Because they've extended
But we want to make it look realistic. So trying my best to paint these. Obviously, try not to get all the paint build up on the bottom.
I know what I'm doing.
That'll be fucking first.
I know what I'm doing. That's the problem. You're just in the nail right up
The only thing is, mate, it's not easy. I know where you're at.
So how long does it take you to do like a section?
How do you mean a section?
Well, like solder them all together and put them.
I thought it was a really good show.
These?
Yeah.
Nice little show. Yeah.
Once the parts are cut, so what I'll do is, that's how. So I have a mitre block with a piece of steel on it that's clamped in, so it's set distance, just keep feeding it and cutting
Okay.
it. Once I've got all the parts, they take about 2 minutes
Okay.
to solder it together. 2 little simple jigs on the piece of board, made
Yeah.
out of coffee sticks too.
Okay. Wow.
That's all they need. You don't
Yeah.
need anything else.
Yeah. Simple, isn't it? Yeah.
And it's throwaway.
Yeah.
Keep that for the public.
So that
So we put all the eggs
it's
in.
dead easy to do. And because they're all identical, and all the wires, they've just got marks on the board where they just cut them off at the same marks. They're all identical. It's great, the zigzag. You just turn it round.
Okay. Get
It's easy
yeah.
designed to be positioned to what's known as pulling off.
Yep.
So if I was to mount that with the jig in the same place that is, it would be here when I turn it around. So you're now getting the zigzag.
Yeah. I get you.
Because they did all the presentations.
Yeah.
Back and forth, just keep turning around.
I suppose it helps
On the
with.
corner, they're all the same way because the track
Okay.
forms the zigzag.
Yep. I get you.
Down on Sunday.
Wow.
It's not
Yeah.
difficult to do.
Oh, good.
Ah, it's clever stuff.
So
I suppose it helps working on the real railway, seeing it every day. Yeah.
So that's the simple jig.
if I was to use that on the straights, you just stick it in.
Okay.
So no matter which way you do it,
Yep.
it's always pulling it 4 mil off centre.
Okay.
So that gives me the total 8 mil full stagger, which is pretty much prototype.
Brilliant.
2 feet. Say 20 mil on the real thing, so I'm just a little bit under,
Yeah.
which is wise with
Yeah.
models. So I could do that and just stick that on there. Track's gauged. Put the glue on, push it up, pull the tape off, and she sticks.
Brilliant. Ah.
Yeah, like you say, you don't see this down. Well, you do see it in London. Obviously, you've got Pancras and you've got Euston, now Paddington, and was there as well. And they've got the very expensive Ferrari stuff. So there you can see it pulling it off centre. And that's what I want it to do.
So this is a jig that Aaron's made.
Well, Dave's made it for me.
Oh, Dave made it, yeah.
I told him the spec I need it, and he just machined it up.
Yeah.
We can mount these all day.
Why have they got a car park or spaces for cars in the middle of a bloody
It's
roundabout?
not middle of the roundabout, there's all buildings on this side. Isn't
What, here?
Yeah.
Is there?
An office block or something.
Eh?
There's an office block or something.
Oh, is there?
Yeah, bring back here.
You can't get it on, obviously. No, no.
Oh, it's good, isn't it?
Right, any more for any more, or I'm off?
Yeah.
Anyone got anything they want to tell?
Oh no! Don't go.
Lunchtime, just had a fucking brew.
I've got to go, I've got to go get some milk. I've got to start a cottage pie, mate.
Oh, that sounds nice. Cottage pie.
Yeah. Have you not? Hold on. Do you want this on the leg?
Where?
Let me hold it whilst you're doing it then.
What about underneath?
Hold on a minute. Aaron, get this sorted out first. Mind that low coat with the
Yeah. Quite robust then.
Yeah.
That's a mega.
Yeah. Does 2 temperatures and all that shit.
Yeah.
So high and low.
Matt? Yeah? I think this best cut them off. Are you sure? Yeah. Where did you put the stuff you cut off there?
Right, let's just do that there. Little. Scrape the other side. Hope this will fucking work.
See why it shouldn't.
It's the length of the wire between the masts.
Oh, I see.
You've used one of them. Well, yeah, hang on, just clear it. Oh, yeah, that's right, I used one. Yeah. Yeah, but it's cut you sure?
So you have it on support, which is handy.
Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you at the NEC in
He's not exactly Noel Evans, is he?
Good night for me, and good night for me.
Yeah, there you go. Big ears.
Where's Mr. Bobby?
Fucking that's the most jovial you've been all morning, Dave.
Oh, it's the first time you've seen me laugh.
Can you mount that there with the nozzle?
Yeah, see, Dave.
See you, Dave.
Feeling alright?
Yeah. Right, good.
Cheers, Andy.
Alright, mate, no worries. And it's good night from me.
And it's good night from him. And it's good night from him.
And in next week's programme, we should be talking to a man who tells us what it's like to have piles of gold. God, they were fucking funny, weren't they? Sir Ronnie Barker, what an absolute genius.
It was, wasn't it?
Oh,
I'm in college,
absolute genius, yeah.
Mr. McCoy.
Yeah, God, well.
Gone
It's fucking great when he went into the bloody infirmary with his complaining of his flat face. He had a terrible flat face. He said, are you? Oh no, have you been, are you, or are you going to be a practicing homosexual? I said, what would these be? Fucking ace.
You
You
know-
know, very careful, we don't board out.
Yeah, and the other thing is I open a Mark 3 will get round this now.
Right.
We've got a map, so you can't.
So basically, I'm wiping the bottom
Can't
of
do
the
that.
wire, wiping the bottom of the wire, so that the pantograph doesn't stick, and then rip the wires off. And we are using oil paint because acrylic paint won't stick to these wires. So I'm starting from the back this time rather than the front, because I was finding starting from the front,
Well, it is slow,
and then
you still use it. We still
working my way to the back, I was kept touching the wires and then taking the paint off. So I am getting there. Probably think I'm talking to myself. I'm talking to the
I did
camera.
actually, yeah. I thought, you know.
Well, I'm
to take him away.
Yeah.
Never to take him away.
I am a bit cuckoo. You have to be, don't you? You've got to be mad.
You've got to go, you try to work here.
Work here, but it does help.
I got away with it.
But we are getting there. We're winning. Well, I'd like to think so. Hopefully we don't have another cup of tea in 5 minutes, we'll be alright.
Oh, fuck me. You get your kidneys flushed here. Free of charge.
That's better. Yeah, I was finding, I was working from the front, and then obviously leaning across, I kept kept touching the wires,
Yep.
and then getting all over the
The back
place.
ones
Yeah,
first.
back ones first. Yeah,
All this trick in the book.
yeah. So I'm learning as I go along. I'll be an expert at this by the time I've finished.
Yeah. I don't have to do it.
Yeah.
Right, mate. Yeah. Yeah, after you've got a coach, innit? Alright, it's alright, go on. Put it on over there.
Well, there's no wire straight.
Alright, yeah, hang on. Bloody hell.
It's all the crap on the trap.
When are you going to clean it off?
I don't know. Yeah, it's alright. Does come over quite a bit. It does reach it.
It's alright, it's actually not on Tuesday going into school.
Yeah. It's all the crap of the trap, that.
Jesus.
It's right, it's hitting bits of ballast.
Well, yeah, who's going to get that off?
I know. That's what you can hear it hitting.
Mhm.
It's a ballast.
So it's alright?
Yeah, clearance wise. They'll all be fine down there.
Yeah. You got it off, Aaron?
Eh?
I can't see the wires.
They're not there yet.
One
here.
Days, but
Hey?
there, mate.
I can't see it in here.
But your eyes do work though.
You've done it. Aaron?
Eh?
You've done it.
I've got round that corner.
Andy, can I just get behind you, please, mate? Thank you. So,
There's your screws.
Sorry.
I don't need them.
You don't?
I've had to build
Yeah.
a glue base because it's rather than plaster Paris and fuck all underneath it. Because they knew how hard they're going to do. They should have had the trap base wide enough.
Yeah.
And they didn't. So it's literally off the end of the wood.
Right,
And it is on this end. So,
Well, it's not going to move, is it? Shouldn't do. That'll be alright.
so I made a big super glue base, set it off, put hot glue on it. It seems to be holding it. I've got away with
I've
that.
got base for it, you know, to super glue. Put bicarbonate of soda. It's solid.
Is it?
Yeah, it's like fucking rock.
How's that for you?
Bicarbonate, a bit of super glue on it.
they're all upstairs. Can I bring them down? We can open that, mate.
It's going hot again. It shuts down if you don't use it. This.
Brilliant.
Right.
So you just squeeze the trigger, just a
Does
touch.
the end keep up?
Yeah.
So that'll be burning that.
Yeah. Let's see. I hope it doesn't.
Doing a job there, mate. I tell you, thankless task.
No, it's airborne.
Necessary.
I'll
Right, let's crack on another mast.
Has anybody seen the reel of black and red twin cable?
Yes, there. Right in front of you. I can see it from here, it'll bite you.
I can.
See? That's what I'm looking for. Yeah.
On a clear day, you just see Jerusalem.
Yeah, it would bite you, that would.
On a clear day, rise and look around you.
Yeah. You just have one to be a clear day.
Right.
Hello, can we rush?
Is that what you've been missing?
I don't think I've got a brush, have you?
There's no way, isn't there?
Right, is there a car in the way? Yeah, there is.
Fucking hell, there's all them ways.
It's handy to move.
Mind the wall.
What's up with you?
Hello in the loop.
It's entertaining, you.
Pete said he's going to clean his brush.
Boom, boom. Doesn't come with that pantograph, that's a Summerfelt one. PH Designs X base.
Onto this one. That's what I'm saying. And the good news is we now know we took 3 out the middle. So, well, we know because we're missing 6, 5, 6 and 7.
Yeah, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 6, 7 and 8. 6, 7 and 8.
6, 7 and 8. So we know
Yeah.
that the lowest number will fit the points with all the the board with all the points on.
No, that's upstairs.
Yes.
One of them.
Right, so that's got to fit off these.
So there's
All we've got to do is line the 3 upstairs.
no one upstairs.
No, what I'm saying, we've just got to line the new boards in the middle of those, that lot.
Yeah.
So as long as we pick the highest and lowest number, you just put the 3 and line them up. It's got to be right.
You read.
Yeah, I know. Got to get a cookie random, haven't we?
Yeah.
That's different. So you've got to decide. I mean,
Well, 5, 6 and 7. Did you say 5, 6 and 7?
right, 6, 7 and 8.
6, 7 and 8, right.
Well, let's start logically. You've got this is 2 inside the board. This is board 2.
Right, so 1 is the one with the points on.
Must be.
So that's the one that fixed to the one with the points.
Yes.
Okay?
That's board 3. It says 3 to 4.
Yes.
Right. That says
4 to 5 is the bottom one.
the bottom one, 4 to 5. So that's board 4. Board 5. There's no board 6. There's no board 7, and there's no board 8 because
Right.
that's board 9
Right.
to 8. That's board 10. 11. Hang on, where's board 10 then? 9 to 8. 11 to 10. Where's board 10? Board 12. So board 10's missing.
Can't be.
It fucking is. That's 11 to 10. What's on the other end? It might have been turned round. I'll look on the other end, please, and see what you can get in, can you? It might have been turned round.
9 to 10, 10 to 11.
Right. So one of them boards has
quarter
been
one.
turned round.
Yeah.
It's 12:43, not 10.
Right.
Yeah, so we've got all the
That's what she
boards.
said, quarter to 1.
So it's 6, 7 and 8 it's missing.
Yes. So we
So the
need,
intermediates.
they're the ones he's building upstairs.
Yes.
So we must make all 3 fit each other And
So you need to make. If 6, 7 and 8 are missing,
yes,
we need to take board 5 and board 9 out of here
and fit them to
and make sure they fit.
That's what I'm saying.
Right,
The first thing you've got to do is just the middles between those 3 boards must line up.
they do. He's done them.
Right, so then the ends, I've got to line up with these.
Yes. Board, got to line up to board 5
And
to board 9.
Yes.
Right?
Let's have a cup of tea,
Right.
and then, in my opinion,
Yeah.
we can probably take some of this stuff outside and check it.
Yeah, put it like roughly on floor.
Yeah.
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 Yeah, I think you're right there, Pete. You can get
You're
around.
right, Dave.
I know you. If you get
Yeah.
It's time for another cup of tea, surely not.
Lunch.
Well, I'm going to finish this bit before I do that. I'm not really hungry actually.
And today's the perfect day, we've got enough of us to do it. See you, boys, lunchtime.